Greetings, YouTube. Oh, it's a glorious day today, is it not? We're here in the North Georgia mountains, as you can see on the clip previous, the mountain that I live behind. It's a huge mountain. It's cold out here today. I mean, it's bitterly cold. I am quivering, it's so cold, but you're not seeing the quiver because I'm using my Moza. I've got a shout out that I want to do. The gimbal's really cool, by the way. I love it. I love it. I do have a shout out that I want to do. The shout out is to drones and dogs. I was just sitting here perusing my YouTube when I seen something come across that you had a DJI FPV bird. Glorious, absolutely glorious. But then, what happened? What happened? We looked up and what do we see? But a DJI bird flying overhead. But you weren't flying. What's going on with that? Later on in the video, I see that your buddy that lives up down the street was flying over your house. I think that's cool, man. I think that's really, really cool. I also want you to know that the puppy is absolutely beautiful. I've been watching. Nevertheless, it was just a little rundown of the DJI FPV flying over Drone and Dog's house. I hope y'all are having a good day. I'll send this up as soon as I get done yammering and yakking and shaking down this Moza Mini gimbal. I really like it a lot. I've got my sun shining right into the camera. Let me turn a little bit. See how smooth that is? Isn't that just absolutely amazing? Absolutely love it. Oh, and by the way, let me figure out how to flip this camera around, and I'll give you a shot of this piece of real estate that I live next to. Give me 1 sec. Okay, I'm back with you. So this is a place there next to me. You can see it's just freshly surveyed. Still filming on the gimbal, checking it out. And this is a 1/4 acre here in Cherry Log, Georgia. There's a propane. It's on propane and electric. It's a 1/4 acre lot. I can't remember if it's 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom. I think it's 2-bedroom. Got a little porch up front, little well house out there. As you can see, it's right here in a very, very small community. Freshly surveyed. Really nice little place. They only want $160,000 for it. It's brand new on the inside. Every stitch of it inside's been gone over and redone. Beautiful bathroom, tile bathrooms, beautiful ceilings. Absolutely beautiful little place. As you can see there, big beautiful Bear Mountain there in the background. Oh yes, oh yes. There's the Cherry Log post office. I love the way this gimbal yaws around. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Got full movement. Well, almost full movement. Oh, can it go all the way around? There's your 360 video. What do you think of that right there? I thought it was pretty cool. I hope y'all have a great day. This is Silver Top Flyer shaking down the Moza Mini Me gimbal in North Georgia. Signing out.